Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of air fryers, specifically focusing on those that won't break the bank. That's right, we're on the hunt for the best air fryers under $40 in 2024. So grab your favorite snacks, hit that subscribe button, and let's get frying. Number 1, Chefman Small Compact Air Fryer, 2 quarts. This little guy is a great option for single folks or couples. It boasts a compact design, perfect for small kitchens or limited counter space. With adjustable temperature controls, a 60-minute timer, and dishwasher-safe parts, it promises user-friendly operation and easy cleanup. Users love its small footprint and praise its ability to cook crispy fries and wings. However, keep in mind the limited capacity might not be ideal for large families. Number 2, Elite Gourmet EAF 0201 Air Fryer, 2.1 quarts. Another personal-sized option, the Elite Gourmet EAF 0201, is similar to the Chefman in terms of size and features. It offers adjustable temperature and timer controls, promoting versatility for frying, baking, and grilling. Users appreciate its compact design and ease of use. However, some reviewers mention that the capacity might be a bit tight for certain recipes. Number 3, Bella 2 quarts Manual Air Fryer Oven 5-in-1 Multi-Cooker. This Bella air fryer is a multitasking marvel. Not only does it air fry, but it also functions as a mini oven, allowing you to bake, roast, and reheat. It boasts a 1200-watt heating system for faster cooking and comes with a removable, dishwasher-safe crisping tray and basket for easy cleaning. The versatility is a big selling point, but be mindful of the slightly higher price tag compared to the first two options. Number 4, Gourmet Air Fryer Oven Digital Display 4 quarts. Stepping up in size, the Gourmet Air Fryer Oven offers a 4-quart capacity, making it suitable for small families or those who like to cook in batches. It features a digital display for easy control and comes with 12 pre-programmed settings for effortless cooking. This air fryer seems perfect for those who want convenience and a bit more capacity. However, with the added features, expect it to be on the pricier side of our budget-friendly bunch. Number 5, Air Fryer Oven 3 quarts with Turbo Crisp technology. This air fryer comes in a beautiful cornflower blue color and boasts a 3-quart capacity. It utilizes Turbo Crisp technology to ensure crispy results and offers baking, roasting, and reheating functionalities. Users rave about its sleek design and its ability to cook delicious French fries. Again, the price might be a touch higher than some other options on this list.